अगर आप ये एप्लीकेशन यूज करते हैं, एब्सोल्युटली यू आर गोइंग टू लव इट, क्योंकि इस एप्लीकेशन में आपको वो सारे फायदे दिए जाते हैं जो आपको एक्चुअली चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीख ले, राइट? इंग्लिश के बजाय कोई अदर लैंग्वेज भी सीखते हैं. कितनी लैंग्वेज है वो आप सीखना चाहते हैं वो भी सीख सकते हैं. चलो बात करते हैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की. अगर आप आर्टिकल पढ़ रहे हैं, कोई भी आपके पास अल्फाज नहीं आ रहे, कोई भी मतलब मीनिंग नहीं आ रही, उस वर्ड को क्लिक कीजिए, ट्रांसलेट करें और इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश दोनों में आप कर सकते हैं. दोनों में आपको मीनिंग मिलेगी. एंड अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग, कोई और लैंग्वेज भी ट्रांसलेट लग सकते हैं. कोई भी आर्टिकल आप पढ़ रहे हैं, एनी न्यूज, मतलब इसके अंदर आप गूगल ओपन कर सकते हैं, इसके अंदर कोई भी चीज आप सर्च कर सकते हैं, उसकी मान्यता देख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यूट्यूब, आप यूट्यूब की वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, राइट? इस वीडियो आप एक वीडियो देख रहे हैं, इंग्लिश की मीनिंग नहीं पता है कोई भी लफ्ज में, वीडियो चल रहा है, नीचे सबटाइटल भी चल रहे हैं इस एप्लीकेशन के अंदर, राइट? तो बहुत से डिफरेंट डिफरेंट अल्फाज आते हैं, लफ्ज आते हैं, वर्ड्स आते हैं, मेरे ख्याल से यही बोलते हैं. तो वर्ड की मीनिंग नहीं आती है, उसी वक्त आप क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं. While watching video, you can learn a lot of vocabularies by just simply clicking. ये फायदे हैं ना जो पहले मैंने किसी एप्लीकेशन में नहीं देखे थे, इस एप्लीकेशन में मैंने देखे हैं. तो वही मैं आपको सजेस्ट करने वाला हूँ कि आप एप्लीकेशन यूज कीजिए. इतनी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है और इसका वर्जन भी है, पर ऑफ कोर्स एब्सोल्युटली यू आर गोइंग टू यूज फ्री वर्जन. जो आप फ्री वर्जन यूज करेंगे वो बहुत ही अच्छा होने वाला है. इसका प्रीमियम भी इतना महंगा नहीं, 200-300-400 का है, पता नहीं, समथिंग लाइक दिस, बट उसमें पता नहीं फायदे क्या है. बट यह है कि आप 1 घंटे का लें, जितना चाहे उतना यूज कर सकते हैं फ्री में, एज फार एज आई नो. तो इंस्टॉल कीजिए मजीद इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए. मैंने जो रिकॉर्डिंग है, छोटी सी रिकॉर्डिंग, वो इससे लिंक कर ली है, वो आप अभी जाके कर सकते हैं.
So this is application. In this application, first of all, you're going to hear, you have to select my language and I'm learning. Okay, I'm learning English. My language I have selected as English too. All right. So if you want to select another language, if you want to select here, for example, I'm going to teach you this. Is the first one. You're reading any article. Okay. Suppose you don't know any kind of words. So okay. For suppose you don't know word gathering, or you don't know this maybe crowded or solitude. You have to simply click. This is the article. Same like you're practicing your English. So now if you don't know any word, you're simply clicking this word.
Gatherings.
Gatherings. You have a pronunciation.
Gatherings.
And you have meanings. Social of the assembly. Assembly. A group of persons together in a one place. Okay, this is a meaning simply. There are more and more examples, more and more information of exactly according to this word, and more synonyms, right? So if you want to listen it, simply click here, right? You can see it here below.
Being an introvert isn't about being afraid to express yourself in front of others.
So you can practice your listening here as well. If you want to save this article, simply click it or also unclick. And when you go here to do text larger, still larger, right? But if you want to reduce, go more smaller and more smaller. Another interesting part is here. This is a video part. When you are going to simply click any, for example, you're watching this video is started. Okay, you can see it.
Hey, in this week's English lesson, I'm going to teach you a simple rule. This rule is going to help more fluently. It's the
So you can see, you can watch video and you have all these different type of subtitles below. If you don't know any kind of word while watching, you can simply click. You have a meaning of them.
Fluently.
Let me see. You can go back. You can search any video here. For example, Lucy. You're going to search a movie, or maybe you're going to search anything. Suppose you're watching this Lucy movie, and now you have some subtitles from this. Let's see it.
कहानी की शुरुआत होती है और हमें एक आवाज सुनाई देती है. हमें अरबों साल पहले जिंदगी दी गई. तो
So now we are showing a girl named Lucy and who was standing with her friend. You don't know what is the meaning standing. You can simply click here. You have this meaning also.
Standing.
Right? You can learn pronunciation. If you want to save this word, simply click this and we can go back. Still back. Still back. Now you have here saving. You have already saved these words. For example, standing and constitutional we have saved before. So this is all in this app, and this is book. If you want to add books, you can simply add here books. They're all books. You can see it. For example, you want to add book that name is let's say The Power of Concentration. The book is downloading. Now book has been downloaded. Now you can read books inside. You can see that. So you are reading books. If you don't know any word, you can simply click
Computerized.
computerize. So that's a huge benefit. You can download books, you can search, and you can add book. That's the Cinderella book. It's downloading also, and this book will automatically added here. You can read this book. You can see, and while reading, you don't know any meaning, simply click.
Becomingly.
One more thing. Now I have English to English, but if you want to change their language, you can simply go here. For example, I am learning is English, but my language. Suppose you're going to select here Urdu language, okay? Suppose. So I'm going to select for you Urdu language here, and we are going back, and I'm going to go books. I have opened this Cinderella. Now, if I don't know any kind of words meaning here, and I'm going to select.
Godmother.
I have meaning in Urdu, right? Godmother.
Godmother.
And instantly I don't know, simply click
Instantly.
Fori taur par. This is a Urdu translation. So you can learn by translating or learning in English to English. Going back here, simply clicking my language, and you can unclick and go to Urdu language. Remember, my language you can only select one, but in a learning language you can select more. For example, now I have already English clicked, and I'm going to also click here Spanish. All right. So here is Spanish. So Spanish is ticked. English is already ticked here to multiple. Now I can show you more different. Here is another book I'm going to add for you. There are more and more books. So now I also have some Spanish book as well inside. So as much as you add language, that different things it will. So suppose I have the book, any book I'm going to select, A Beginner's Psychology. The book is downloading and it is successfully open. Now I'm reading this book in English. I can simply click Disheartened.
Many.
Many. I have many meaning in English. You can see that. All of them differently. Right?
Many.
Many. So if I want to go to a Spanish book, I have to simply click Spanish, for example, El Centro. This is 1 to 2. The Spanish book has been. Now everything is in Spanish. This is Spanish. I don't know what is the meaning of de. I can simply click.
De.
De means off.
De.
Right? Okay. One more. I'm going to.
Vincencio.
I don't know. Celoso.
Celoso.
Celoso means jealous.
Celoso.
Celoso means jealous. This is a really interesting application that I will suggest you today. So install it right away and you are going to love this application. See you in the next video. And now you have also Spanish videos you can watch in Spanish language as well to understand. This is last thing I want to teach you here. आप देख सकते हैं अभी.
De lo que ocurre en Hungría, también lo que tiene planteado Donald Trump.
So अभी मुझे también मतलब also, right? As well.
También.
También. तो इसी तरह से होता है. That's all. आई होप आपने एंजॉय किया होगा. आपको किसी और वीडियो में हम मिलते हैं. आपको अगर इसको अगर जो इंग्लिश है वो आप इंग्लिश ही रखना चाहते हैं, स्पेनिश जो है वो डिक्लाइन करना चाहते हैं, तो आप सिंपली जाके यहाँ पे आई एम लर्निंग में जो है ना स्पेनिश वाला होगा, ऊपर से वो स्पेनिश आप अनटिक कर लें. ये वाला है, अनटिक कर लें. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.
तो हम आपसे मिलते हैं अनदर वीडियो में. तब तक लिए अपना ध्यान रखिएगा. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.